What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off background app refresh for apps to save battery on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now here it will show you the list of all the apps that you have installed in your mobile. So from here just simply tap on an app in which you want to turn off the background app refresh. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on mobile data option in usage section, and here you will see a allow background data usage button. So just simply tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the background app refresh for this app will be disabled. So that's how you can disable background app refresh for apps to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.